Stock markets now. My colleague is in the studio, Effiong, Ekop. We are wrapping up the month of August, and it seems like we're going to close in green despite all of the odds and the challenges. Take us through all of this.
So we've seen the market stabilized in the last 2-3 weeks, though looking negative somehow. But it hasn't been a situation where investors have lost so much. It's a balance. It goes up, comes down. That's the market has really exhibited its true nature of rewarding long-term investors, also creating room for new entrants into the market. Exactly. So it has played like that. And we have seen that investors in the last 2 months after the inauguration of our president have been able to make huge gains on their investment. Those of them who wanted to sell and then get out of the investment, they have realized a reasonable level of investment. So now opportunity is being created by the market itself for many people to go in. That's why you see the stability is that the prices are just not stable, sometimes down, so that the securities becomes cheaper for you to be able to pick up. But talking about the real way that we interpret the market now, it relates directly to what is happening in the larger economy. There is a level of problem somehow that affects investment. Yeah. That's the foreign exchange issue and even the transport problem. Then you talk about high level of inflation and unemployment. They have constituted themselves into baskets of negative. So investors have to think about all of this. If I invest so much, what even is the pattern of dividend that is coming by investment? And so that's the main issue affecting the market. It's not, some of these things are outside the control of regulators of the market. We look to central bank, to be able to solve the issues of forex. Then we talk about government policies that affects, transportation, then energy that manufacturers are complaining. So all of the policies need to be tinkered with. Thank God that we've heard that the new administrators, they know what they want, to bring the economy. So basically, growing the economy will enable the stock market to do its own work. The stock market will not be able to do so much if the larger economy is weak as it is now. You may say that majority of the people do not have spendable funds or even the one that they want to go and invest. You understand? So with the population that we have, we're supposed to have so many people investing in the market, but we do not have like that. Only those who have great interest and great of the bet, we're supposed to change that pattern. And until the society itself is reformed, and I'm talking about the economic reform now, so our political economy needs to change the way it is. So much hardship doesn't, encourage investment. So we need to tinker with the level that people are being exposed to, poverty and hardship. And so when we grow the economy, individuals, families also will prosper. Then the markets, will grow.
All right, I must thank you so much for the analysis as usual. Thank you so much, Effiong.
It's a pleasure.